Hello guys, let us continue with the lecture on the breast, the continuation series, and I'm sorry I took more than 3 weeks to upload this lecture, so I will not repeat this. Try to actually. So let us continue. The first thing that should be remembered is the triple assessment in any case of the breast lump. So what is that? It is clinical assessment, radiological imaging and tissue sampling. So what is clinical assessment? It requires careful observation of the patient both with the arms at the rest and also elevated to lift the breast. Small lesions may betray their presence by dimpling or minor distortion when the patient moves. So radiological imaging is the second thing. In triple assessment, it can be done by ultrasonography or mammography. The tissue sampling is done by FNAC and the core renal biopsy. So the triple assessment consists of clinical assessment, radiological imaging and tissue sampling. So this is the examination in which patient should be positioned to palpate or see a lump. So this is a picture of, you can say, mammography, the ultrasound picture and the core renal biopsy. And this is done to do the biopsy. So the counseling, the history taking and the examination, the mammography, FNAC or TrueCut, and the positive predictive value of the combinations of these three things should exceed, if done properly, more than 99%. So mammograph is what? So a mammography, you must be knowing a X-ray technique in which craniocaudal and mediolateral oblique view were taken by placing the breast in direct contact with ultra sensitive film and exposing it to a low voltage and high ampere X-ray. The point of discussion is the age. Some books say the 35 years, 40 years or 50 years or 45 years should be the cutoff when you should choose for mammography or you go for an ultrasound. So I would quote one book: the screening mammography is or should be done in a patient who is more than 50 years and less than 50 years. You should not do screening mammography according to Schwartz. So the dose is approximately 0.1 CGY centigrade. That is safe dose for doing a mammography. Sensitivity increases with age because the breast become less dense. 5% of breast cancers are missed by population-based mammographic screening programs. That is, the normal mammogram does not exclude the presence of the carcinoma. Digital mammography is the new thing that allows manipulation of the images and computer-based or aided diagnosis and done than this. The tommomammography is again a new thing and it is more sensitive diagnostic modality than mammogram. So this is the machine. Here the breast is placed, this is compressed and the picture is taken, the X-ray you have seen. So this is the procedure. It is done like this. Now ultrasound is again important modality. Again the age is, you can say that, but some books say that if less than 35 years, 40 again or 45, you should do the ultrasonography instead of mammography. So not useful as a screening tool. It is particularly useful in young women. I have not written the age as there is a lot of debate about the age, but you can take 35 years. So also it is distinguishing cyst from solid lesions. Also used to localize impalpable areas of the breast pathology. Ultrasound of axilla is performed when a cancer is diagnosed with guided percutaneous biopsy of any of the suspicious gland. So this is a suspicious lesion. This should be a carcinoma on ultrasonography. Magnetic resonance imaging is all again a modality of investigation in this. So these are the pictures you obtain in MRI. It is useful in a number of settings. So the main important thing is to distinguish scar from recurrence in women who have had previous breast conservation therapy for cancer. So the thing to remember in this is, although it is less accurate within 9 months of radiotherapy. So this is one important point. It is also done to assess multifocality and multicentricity. in lobar cancer and to assess the extent of high-grade ductal carcinoma in situ, it is less useful in low-grade DCIS. The best imaging modality for breast women with implant is an MCQ question, MRI. The 4 point, as a screening tool in high-risk women, basically the females which are having family history of breast cancer with improved ultrasound equipment, an MRI detected lesion can often be found on a second look ultrasound and biopsy using the modality. So needle biopsy of cytology is again the third point of triple assessment. So histology can be obtained under local anesthesia using a spring-loaded core needle biopsy device, which is looking like this. So here is the point which fires. You get the core of cylinder in this area. When you push the gun from here and the tissue sample is obtained. Cytology is obtained using 28 gauge or 23 gauge needle and 10 ml syringes attached to it with multiple passes through the lump with negative pressure in the syringe. So this is the fine needle aspiration cytology. The core biopsy is again, you have seen the gun. So when the lumen is very large and it is done with the ultrasound guidance, so it is definitive preoperative diagnosis if required is done by core biopsy. It differentiates DCIS and invasive disease, that is a difference from FNSC. Receptor status can be told by this, which cannot be told on FNSC, and this is important before commencing neoadjuvant therapy if core biopsy is done and we get these three things. FNSC is again important thing. It is least invasive technique of obtaining a cellular diagnosis. It is rapid and very accurate if both operator and cytologist are experienced. The negative point is false negatives do occur. Invasive cancer cannot be distinguished from in situ disease, and large needle biopsy with vacuum system is a new method. You can see this again, it is like FNSC needle or procedure, but the lumen is large and suction is continuously created, and the sampling error decreases as the biopsy volume increases. It may be 18 gauge or 11 gauge needle which allow more tissue to be taken. This is useful in management of microcalcification or incomplete excision of benign disease such as fibroadenoma. So this is the machine, and thank you so much. Any doubt you can ask in the comment box. Thank you so much again.